8 officers surround one man, and on camera he asks why a hand went to a gun. We're using selected moments from this body cam. Watch the number of officers, the escalation, and the moment an officer opens his holster and keeps his hand on the firearm. You'll also hear the citizen question that action on camera. Play the clip.
Which is public property. Call your supervisor. Before you sign your name on the dotted line on the lawsuit, call your supervisor. This is public property. It's public. This is taxpayer. Well, if you don't think so, I need you to know so. Because these are my rights you're about to violate. So I need all y'all to be sure that what you're finna do is legal, okay? Because I can film in public as long as I want to. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cops out here, and you got your hand on your gun for what reason?
For my safety.
Are you ready to shoot me?
No, I'm not.
So why you got your hand on your gun?
Because I can.
Because you're ready to shoot me, right?
No.
Guns are made to shoot. Y'all are a
Matter of
joke.
opinion at this point.
No. It's a matter of fact. Your hands are on your gun.
The issue is not here.
I'm done talking to you.
The issue is you open carry.
Which is legal in this state.
Not here on this county property.
This is public property.
This is
I
county
can't carry inside of there. That's a government building.
You're right. And that's
Exactly.
parking
I'm outside. This is a public area. What's your
lot.
name?
Parking lot.
Tell me your name.
It's Detective Williams.
Detective Williams.
Yeah.
Your badge number?
We don't have badge
Don't have
numbers,
badge numbers.
No.
So what you're telling me right now is, per the Constitution, I cannot open carry or film in none of this area.
Per the county policy.
But policy isn't law. I need you to understand that. Policy isn't law.
Hey man, what's your name?
I'm not giving that out. I haven't broken the law.
Well, I want to know what to refer to you as.
Good citizen, please.
Good citizen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, the reason we're here is
Uh-huh.
because it is abnormal for somebody to open carry on county property.
Now, with that opening statement,
let's
I would
do
much
it.
rather
Let's
talk
do
to
it.
you, but I need this officer to understand that he's threatening my life with his hand.
He's
on
not
his
threatening
gun.
his
And
life.
he has the top of it. I need y'all to see this, okay?
listen
He's
to
done
me.
took the top off his gun. He's ready to shoot me for
You
no
gonna talk
reason.
to me?
Yes, sir.
I'm
I'm
trying to be
sorry.
cordial with you because I am
Yes,
the
sir.
supervisor.
My keys are right here. I'm cold. I'm putting my hand right here, okay?
If there's anything we can do, just let us know. Our office is on the other side. Feel free to walk around, do whatever you want to do. Please, whatever you do, we're going to get people calling about you going into the building if you try to go in the building. So if you will, just don't do that for us. Okay?
Yeah, I'm not carrying my firearm in there. I'm not.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I've did a lot of research on this. I'm not taking.
Legal audit, based only on what's shown and said. First, show of force. Multiple officers surrounding a single stationary person is a significant show of force that courts examine closely. Second, hands on firearms. Opening a holster and holding a hand on a gun is escalation. That requires an articulable threat, not discomfort or behavior labeled abnormal. Third, on-camera objection. The citizen explicitly questions the gun hand on camera. That documents perceived threat and fear in real time. Fourth, lawful conduct. The officers acknowledge the activity is not illegal. Lawful conduct cannot justify detention or escalation. Finally, supervision and transparency. A veteran officer steps in and de-escalates. Covering body cams immediately after raises policy concerns. Watch the footage and decide for yourself. Comment audit for more breakdowns. Educational only, not legal advice.